Congratulations on receiving your new GEM-III from Hoffman. To get started with your machine, first carefully cut the tape lining the top edges of the box, keeping fingers and hands clear of any blades or scissors. Next, unfold the top flaps of the box, making sure the protective cardboard insert at the top is easily accessible. Now, remove the protective cardboard insert from the top by unfolding the flaps, then pulling straight up and clearing any cardboard pieces that might catch the handle of the machine. Next, using the handle of the machine, pull straight up. The machine and its protective cardboard will come out together. Once clear of the box, set the protective cardboard aside. Before setting the box aside for safekeeping, make sure to find your manual and warranty information at the bottom of the box. Now that you've unboxed your GEM-III and placed it where you intend to use it, we can set it up for the first use. Once you've placed the machine on its operating surface along with a source of distilled water, plug in the power cable to a standard power source and place the foot pedal on the ground in front of the machine. Next, place the water intake hose inside the distilled water, making sure the copper tubing is at the bottom of the container. Now, press the power button and confirm that the red light is on, indicating that the machine is warming up. After a few minutes, the green light will turn on, indicating that the machine is ready to be used. For the first use, push the foot pedal approximately 3 to 5 seconds. After that, you can use variable output times to complete your steam tasks, such as cleaning jewelry throughout the day. For more help getting started and regular cleaning and maintenance tips, see a list of important resources in the video description below and enjoy your GEM-III.